Alright.
So this saw right here is for logs like this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, look at that stuff on there. It's going to be pretty.
Yep. We can cut great big motherfucking slabs like this. And this still ain't going to go all the way through it, is it? I'm going to have to come back from the other side.
I don't know. Just try it.
You know what I'm saying? I tell you who wants this piece right here is that fucking guy from Ocean City. That one there I almost got through. That guy that worked on metal, he wanted another piece of this, remember?
Oh, yeah.
I was almost through, but my blade started getting dull on me. So, I go the rest of the way through it. Get this piece.
I'm getting out of the way.